Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the chat function in the hotels.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And at the home page you can see a little like chat bubble at the bottom of the page on the right, so just click on that, and you will be connected to a virtual agent. And as you can see, you can type your own message and ask for any help, and you can also choose a topic like cancel booking or get refund status, which will help them locate and find a solution for your problem. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.